Hi, and a special hello to you that is watching this video. Today I'm going to make a little jacket for our baby. Yeah, it's she's almost got a full wardrobe now, but yeah, I still haven't making clothes for this little one, so I'm gonna make a little jacket today. Okay, I chose black because it's, oh, you can see I'm a little doggy lover, full of hair. Because the black will fit in by her pants, so I'm gonna make a little jacket for this outfit of her. Yeah. So it's just a normal fleece. I used fleece and just the good side on the inside and good old faithful pattern. Gonna put it on top. This time at least it will maybe see better. Because it's black, I'm gonna use chalk. So I'm also just gonna trace just around the line of the pattern. I hope I will be able to see this. Okay, there's the sleeve on that side as well. Under the arms, yeah, and down. So I must just decide. So I want to make a jacket. So the jacket is the length of where the in cut of the band starts. So I'm gonna make it here, so it can go over the bums. So there you are. So I'm just gonna make a straight line like this, and then my pin, as always, just put a pin so it can stay in one place. And I'm gonna actually sew this with my sewing machine. So I will show you again today how I do this with my sewing machine. I'm just gonna cut this a little bit. This one piece is a little bit smaller because I really don't need to put that whole big piece through my machine. There you go. So that will be actually much faster and easier. So I'm going to show you how to do it on the sewing machine. I'll be back. Okay, yeah, I'm by the sewing machine now. So I'm quickly going to show you just how easy it is to make clothes for a little baby. Okay, so obviously not going to work on this side here because that's the open side. So I'm going to start. I'm just going to start here at the beginning. So with the sleeve start, I'm going to reverse it a few times because then I know it won't go loose. And then, this isn't that way. So just where the white is now turn, go straight. So obviously going to end here. And then I'm just going on the side here where it's beginning of the jacket, and back, and to the front, where the sleeve must be end. Okay. So there you go. So there it is, all been sewn. So let's head back to our working space. Okay, now I'm back here, and then you can just cut it out. So obviously cut here by the arms on the white marking still, and then if you cut the jacket just a little bit alongside the stitch you made, otherwise it's gonna just torn loose. And then here on the end, sewing, Okay, so when you finish with the cutting, just cut it a little bit here in the corner, not too much, just to make it easier. And the arms in that square. There you go. So then, as usual, you just fold your jacket in half, cut out your little diamond. You can make it small this time, and then in the center, just on a one part, just cut it through, and then just turn it inside out. This one is not easy. And there's your little jacket. I'm just going to, as usual, iron it quickly, make it nice and neat. And then there's your little jacket for your baby. So let's see. And there is the little baby's little jacket. Isn't that cute? So I'm quickly going to someone make a little hat as well for this outfit. I got this piece of t-shirt, and I'm going to use the seam part here, obviously, to measure neck. Just want to cut it open somewhere. Just measure it around her head, just to make sure it must. So it's about there. So I'm just gonna cut this. Okay. And then I'm gonna hand sew the little hat. Some over it. So like I said, you can do it any way you like, with your sewing machine or yeah, stitching with. Oh, it's just easy. Just a little piece to do that. First, I'm just going to do the overhead until the seam. So then I'm just going to measure it around her head to see how long I must go. Just put it over where I want that. So it's about the seam allowance. So I'm just going to just on the top of the seam allowance. First I'm going to cut it off. Okay. And I'm just going to thread it through alongside the edge. Because I'm back here, I'm just going to pull it together so it can close up, and then just end it off. This might be a bit more, I can cut off here. And just turn it inside out. See if it fits over head. Oh, outside. Perfect. Beautiful. Okay. So just to bring a bit color in this outfit, I've got this little just gonna tie it up again. And just make sure the seam is in the back, and I just want it straight in the front. The seam is in the back about here. So yeah, so there. Just gonna pull it through, and then I got this little tiny little button, so I'm gonna put this little tiny orange button in on the hat, just for a little color. Okay, and this little tiny hat with the button on. So let's put it on her head. Let's see. And there you go. So little jacket and a little hat. So now my next attempt is we'll see if it's going to be successful or not. I'm going to attempt to make some shoes. So to complete, obviously to complete the outfit. I made another jacket and a little hat for, so it was pink, also fleece, and of a little hat. I actually made it to go with this little outfit of last time. So yeah, there she is with a nice little jacket. So until next time, bye.